Hello all. For the first time in India, a challenging batch we are going to start from March 16th, whereby me, who is having experience of 10 years in UPSC preparation, and when I was writing, I cleared all my prelims and went to UPSC interview 3 times. And one of who cleared prelims 5 times and who went to UPSC interview 2 times, as well as who did his studies from IIT Delhi. We both came together and we are planning a strategic challenging batch, which mainly speaks about how to clear prelims in any cost. So we created 16 templates whereby a formula driven approach. Because of that formula driven approach, you will be having a clear idea how to clear the prelims examination. So the approach is 40 days, every day 2.5 hours of strategy classes. Strategy classes means revision and how to remember it, and taking PYQs, previous year's questions, and giving the template on it, applying the formula in it, so that how to solve the question paper. So this is going to be very important and very useful sessions these are going to be. Again, I am telling, this is not a test series. These are pure classes whereby the classes are not again traditional classes. How to crack the prelims in 40 days, how to crack the prelims with a strategy approach, we are going to explain. But again, I am telling you, this session is going to helpful for those who did one-time revision, so that it will be like quick revision, a rapid fire round, so that it will be very much useful in clearing the prelims on June 5th. And this course is going to be online as well as offline. Offline at Hyderabad. Limited batch we are going to have, as well as with this strategy, every day we are going to give MCQs on that particular day's class. So I wish everyone understood our approach, our challenge, our strategy, and I will be seeing you on March 16th. All the best. Jai Hind.